Chrotex is one of the largest and the oldest based in Greece, family-owned paint manufacturer with over 80 years in the Greek and the international market. We offer a broad product range from building coatings to wood finishes to metal and marine coatings, as well as can and metal printing coatings, along with industrial coatings. Our production takes place in the industrial zone of Athens. We distribute our products domestically and also export to the Balkans, Cyprus, and the Middle East. We have been using Oliver & Batlle machines for more than 30 years, and we have acquired many of them, like the filling unit that we are presenting you today. We report a high level of satisfaction with our partnership with Oliver & Batlle, highlighting performance, reliability, and alignment with our company's innovative strategy.